All right, let's talk about the chart of accounts. It sounds intimidating, right? But here's the deal. If you've ever looked at a profit and loss report or a balance sheet in QuickBooks, you've basically already been looking at it, you just didn't know it. Think of the chart of accounts like the master list, the blueprint, or even the menu of all the buckets QuickBooks uses to sort out your money. Every single line on your reports comes from this list. So let's start here with the profit and loss report. On the P&L here, you'll see things like sales income, office supplies, rent, etc. Now here on the balance sheet, you'll see things like your bank accounts, your credit cards, loans, and equity accounts like your owner's distributions account. Each of these lines on both of these reports that we just looked at is an account, and all those accounts live inside your chart of accounts. So let's look directly at the chart of accounts here in QuickBooks. We're going to go up to the gear icon in the top right and click on the chart of accounts. All right, here's our full list of accounts. Up at the top, we're going to find our assets. These are our bank accounts, accounts receivable, or maybe some equipment or vehicles owned by your business. Next are our liabilities. Think of things like our credit cards, our loans, or accounts payable. Then we've got our equity accounts. You'll find here our owner's contribution, owner's distribution. Next is our income accounts, our sales or services, or whatever money your business brings in. And finally, our expense accounts, things like cost of goods sold, office supplies, rent, utilities, and so on. So this list is the central hub. It's where QuickBooks keeps the structure behind the scenes, and it's why your reports look the way they do. Here's the cool part. Everything you just saw here in the chart of accounts flows straight into your reports. The assets, liabilities, and equity feed into your balance sheet. The income and expenses feed into your profit and loss report. And QuickBooks even gives us a little visual hint. You see these green dots? These accounts belong on the balance sheet. And the blue dots, these belong on your profit and loss report. So bottom line, the chart of accounts isn't some mysterious accounting term. It's just the full list of categories or buckets, if you will, where QuickBooks sorts your money. And once you understand that, reading your reports gets a whole lot less overwhelming. Now, if you'd rather not spend your time worrying about buckets and charts and categories, and you just like to receive clean reports at the end of the month already done for you, that's exactly what I help business owners with. I'll drop a link in the description of this video if you'd like to connect. Or if you're more of a DIY person, I've got a free end-of-month checklist you can grab that walks you through the exact steps to keep your books on track. You can grab it through the link in the description below.